Turn on this settings now on your OnePlus device. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning to save battery. Go to Settings. Go to Location. Click on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Turn off both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning to save your battery life. Double tap to wake up or turn off screen. Hold the home screen. Now click on More. Drag down to double tap to wake or turn off screen. Turn on the option now. Go to Home page. Now double tap on screen. Turn on battery percentage in notification bar. Go to Settings. Go to Notification and Status bar. Go to Status bar. Turn on battery percentage in notification bar. It will now appear in your status bar. Turn on display RAM in your task manager. Hold the home screen. Now click on More. Drag down to Recent Task Manager. Turn on display RAM memory information for recent task. Now open Task Manager. RAM will now appear behind the Clear All option. Free it when it's too high. Turn on Split Screen option for all the apps. Go to Settings. Go to About Phone. Go to Version. Tap 7 times on build number. Now go back to System Settings. Go to Developer Options. Drag down to Last. Turn on Force Activity to Resizable. Enable Free from Windows. Enable Non-Resizable in multi-window. Now go to Instagram. Split screen option is now available for Instagram. Similarly, if disable all these options, the option will now no longer be available. Hope you like all these settings of OnePlus phones.